Oh, fuck. There's a shark. Ah, burnt meat. My favorite. Ah! Holy... Bro, that was actually Horror Simulator 2020 Pirate Edition. What the... I'm gonna kill you, whatever you want. It went through the nose. Seriously, brother. Apparently the nose does not have a hit rig. Fuck. Right on the booper?
Booper.
The booper. Oh, when you... boop. They have, I don't know, do we? They don't have any loot, I think. No, they're doing the ancient quest. Oh, they have a ritual skull. And a... They will never notice. See?
What?
Oh!
What are you doing?
I was trying to see how far and how mechanically I could jump, and well, I got... Look! Look!
Wow.
Five. Yeah, he's killing me.
Forever.
I don't want to die. Come on. I haven't died all night. Ooh, he's missed. I have one shot. And I miss it, of course.
Jotaro! Dio! ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。
ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。ダムダムダム。
Killed him. I'm not dying tonight, guys. I'm not. I'm just not. Hey, dude. You're a beginner, probably, so we're gonna let you live, okay? You have to leave us alone, or we'll be... Oh, he left. Yep, he left. He's just done with this game. He's probably gonna refund it on Steam and cry about sinking.
But he didn't sink. He just died once.
Yeah, fog. Oi, ay, 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 ay. What the fuck? Oi, blade.
What the fuck? What?
The loot is so good, it's explosive, man. What are you gonna...
Interesting.
Oh yeah, €1,300 VR, a Star Wars doll of €400, a PC parts from €3,000, a soundbar from €300,
Oh, okay.
a barbecue from €800. Yeah.
I have a big joystick. A large one.
High five that. High.
Okay, where is
That was
the other
very
one?
awkward.
There.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, that
I'm
was
flying.
so bug.
I'm flying.
What? You're a wizard rebel.
Are you ready to fire on them?
I'm born ready. You know, I came out of womb. My dad was like, one day, son, you're gonna have to fire cannons at a brig, and I was like, but dad, I'm like 2 minutes old, and he was like, I don't care. You always gotta be ready. You know. My dad, man, my dad, what a legend. Preparing me for wars like this one. Whoa. I think my mom is dying. We both just laugh. We both just laugh. Wow. Oh, Boost, I heard that beautiful crunch. That was actually like the crunch that you hear in like those chip advertisements, bro. Fucking steal away from me. Hey, can you anchor ball them? That's really not anchoring them, is it? Oh, I love that sound so much, though. Much appreciated. Oh shit! Fuck! Shit! They might have seen.
Fuck shit.
Yeah, they might have seen me. That sounded like a Mortal Kombat combo, to be honest. I don't know how that worked, but it worked.
So what's the plan?
I am tucked on their boat so far.
I see it.
Hmm?
I see that you're.
No! Yes! No, bring that back. I meant yes.
Are they really putting the barrels there? Okay. Really? Oh
I'm
my
going
God.
now, I think. It must be down now, right? Okay, we got it. Let's go. Sloop to our left is a ghost ship sloop. Not again, bro. What's up with these ghost ships?
Okay, got it.
Happens in Tarkov a lot too. Yeah, but me, bro. Or you guys kill him or he dies first. I never kill Boots in Tarkov.
Ik ben een beetje gezond.
Hey, Dad.
Okay.
I'm so funny, dude.
Allee, laat me eens een keer iets oppakken, hè, vent.
Oh, ze hebben nog niet aan dit opgepakt, man. Shit.